What is it now? Oh my god. How many SVRs are going to be in this today?
For the following county, Fayette, Pennsylvania.
Fayette.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Garrett County in western Maryland, southeastern Fayette
Garrett?
in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, northeastern Preston County in northeastern West Virginia until 3:15 p.m. At 2:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Point Marion, or 11 miles east of Morgantown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Friendsville, Accident, Marksburg, Brandonville, Brewston Mills, Laurel Run, Hazleton, Clifton Mills, Mineral Spring, McHenry, Selbysport, Cranesville. This includes the following highways. Interstate 68 in Maryland between mile markers 1 and 10. Interstate 68 in West Virginia
Got one for Maryland.
mile markers 12 and 32. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. At 2 p.m. elsewhere across southwest
I could have a record
Pennsylvania,
breaker
where
here
it's sunny
if
and
these
87
guys,
degrees,
if
wind
SVRs keep
gusting to
coming in.
22, Beaver